Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. Eddie, I'm going to hit you with a quote.
Okay.
It's ready to go. You ready? All right. This is from Ronald Reagan. There is no limit to the amount of good you can do if you don't care who gets the credit.
I really like this quote.
This is a great quote.
Yes.
This is a fantastic quote.
Why did it hit you?
So many people in the industry try to take credit for things. They're just focused on getting credit for it. They're focused on being the person who has this groundbreaking idea. And it's kind of slowing down everything. Puts you in a little bit of an identity crisis. It's like you want to be known for something. You want to be valuable. It kind of does put you in a little bit of an identity crisis. But if you can get good with not getting the credit for something, you're really going to be an impact player, right? I don't care if Jimbo over there gets the credit over me, as long as we had the good idea, as long as it happened.
Yep.
Who cares?
This is great leadership.
Yeah.
Just being able to be a leader that doesn't need to take the credit. We've hit this recently. We've talked a little bit about that.
Yeah.
But I wonder, just a little bit of, other side here is this going to stun our career? Like, is this going to, we need to push ourselves to the front. We need to make sure we're noticed, and we need to get that promotion.
Yeah.
This could impact my family. I think there's a rebuttal for that, but what do you think?
I definitely think it could affect your career. Screw your career. Screw it. Like, be a human. Be a better person than that. You know, like you don't think good will come from you just doing good. No, it will.
I'm going to soften your
definitely
stance.
do that. Soften it?
Yes, I'm going to soften your stance, because I'm not going to say.
How dare you?
Well, if my career is tethered to for the people I love, like my family, my friends, my livelihood, my well-being, then I can't get that harsh with it. But I hear the heart behind it, which is there's something bigger at play in life than your career.
Yeah.
And so maybe not like squashing that, but a clarifying statement on that is throw away that inclination to be a social climber, throw away that inclination to just push yourself to the front, throw away that inclination that it's my career at all costs. That the most important end of business is for me to climb that ladder, get that raise, do more money, have more status, whatever. That stuff needs to be put aside.
Yeah.
And to that, I would say I heartily agree. Like, the heck with that stuff. That isn't what we need to be about. I tend to think that at some point, if you're the person that just continues to push yourself up in line, somebody's going to notice and invite you to the back of the line.
It's like there's a biblical theme around this.
There is.
Like, the first shall be last, or something like that. I think I heard that at one point.
Yeah, you push yourself to the head of the table, and they're going to say, hey, go to the end.
Yeah.
I do think that given hard effort over a long period of time, and man, I know there's exceptions, and maybe I'm an idealist for saying this, but I do think that if you are there and you're consistent, you're a good person, good things will come. And hey, maybe you do sacrifice $1 here and there. Maybe you do. But you're also laying your head down at night, and you have the peace of that.
That's what I'm saying.
And money can't buy peace.
No.
So
maybe for a moment, maybe for a second.
Money can buy a little spurt of happy.
A little spurt.
Of happy.
But it's going to go away.
But I don't think money can buy peace. I know a lot of people with money that don't have peace. But I think there are a lot of people that don't have money that do have peace.
Yeah.
And I don't think that you should ignore that as you're going through your career. So encouragement today, be better.
Yeah. Don't be looking for the credit and everything. It's okay.
Hit that quote one more time. Man.
All right, one more time, and then we're out. All right. There is no limit to the amount of good you can do if you don't care who gets the credit. And with that, guys, go build something awesome.